welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Yes, I still have on the same shirt. I'm doing back-to-back videos because I forgot before we end the year, I wanted to give you some winter decorating inspiration. Yeah, so after you take down all of your Christmas, if you're like me, you're like, oh my gosh, my house feels empty. What can I do? It's so full of stuff. You guys knew all those themes that I did this year. I've taken them all down except for one tree, which you saw in a previous video. So yeah, it feels a little empty. So I thought before we end the year, I thought I would give you some winter decorating inspiration. So it's going to be a combination of some throwback videos mixed in with some Pinterest inspiration, mixed in with a few things that I've already done this year that you guys will be seeing in 2024. So I hope you enjoyed today's winter decorating inspiration and it inspires you and your winter decorating this year. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you are new here and you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle My Style family. And with that, my friends, let's get into the inspiration.